You want to create a YouTube Shorts out of a video that you have already posted on your YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how can you do that. Just follow up with me till the very end. First, of course, you open the YouTube app and go to your channel and pick the video that you want to make a short out of. Go ahead and open it. Then you should see this remix button right on the video. Go ahead and tap on remix. Then tap on edit into a short. You'll be taken to this screen. You can set the time or the piece of the video that you want to show in your short. Now you have other time settings. If you have a longer video, just tap on the top right corner. I don't have that now because my video is short. Once I'm done, tap on next in the bottom right corner. Wait for it to process completely. Then once it's done, go ahead and tap on text in the bottom left corner. If you want to add a text to your video or something like that, you can change the colors and the fonts. Now once you do that, you can just resize it and put it whatever you want. You can add a timeline to it, so just adjust if you want the period in which you want the text to be showed. Tap on done once you're done. You can even add a voiceover if you want. Just tap on voiceover and you'll be given this recording button in which you can speak while the video is going. Of course, you can even add filters, so tap on filters. You have a lot of filters you can choose from if you want. If you don't want to, maybe use external filters. So once you're done from that, tap on next in the top right corner. This is the final screen. You can set up some stuff like here, the privacy. You can tap on privacy and change it if you want. And then once you're done, tap on upload short in the bottom. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.